Am I getting Latina baddie, baby? Okay. Hello dolls and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Esther and I do a little bit of everything here on my channel. As you can tell from today's video, we're doing a gorgeous, stunning 10-pound makeup routine called Latina baddie makeup. Yes, let's just jump into this gorgeous, stunning makeup routine. I literally love how it came out, and I'm honestly not even the biggest fan of lashes, but this lays. Does it fit my aesthetic? Because I'm always such a cute little doll. I think this is still doll vibes, just like Latina style. But I don't know, guys. What do we think? Did I do a good job? Please tell me I did. First step of the tutorial of how to become a Latina baddie. Even if you're not a Latina and you just want to be like baddie like that, then this video is for you. Anyways, first up is brows. I feel like this is one of the most important steps because it's one of the features that are more accentuated, like the lashes and the lips. I feel like that is gonna be our main focus today. But I like going in with my 24-hour brow setter just to kind of keep my brows in place. Although I got my brows done. So I don't need a whole lot because I did get them laminated as well as like a little bit of a tint. I am currently in esthetician school, esthetician academy, whatever. And one of my classmates did them. I'm so sad because she's about to graduate and she's the sweetest, kindest girl ever. I'll put her Instagram in the description, so if y'all are near the Texarkana area and y'all want to book with her, y'all absolutely can. She is so sweet. I love her. But she did such a good job on my brows. I've gotten my brows done a few times, but I just never went back because I didn't like the way that they did them. But this has been like by far my favorite they've looked, and I'm so happy they came out, you know, good, because guys, I was growing them out for like a month. Ooh, I looked like I was trying to grow bushes on my face. Not fun. Anyways, like I said, I only need a little bit of gel because I got them laminated. So I didn't need a whole lot of that, which I love. I love simplifying like parts of makeup routines that I don't really enjoy. Like I really hate how difficult my brow hairs are, and this brow gel is the only thing that actually keeps them in place without having them look crusty. Like, you know, when it like flakes up, this doesn't do that. So if y'all have brows that are really difficult to keep in place and you need a really good brow gel, here you go. Okay, next we're gonna fill them in a little bit. I really just want to define the ends a little bit more. This part of my brow really dark. So I'm gonna go in with the Morphe pencil. This is gonna be in the shade Chocolate Mousse. I really like this one. I really prefer the one from MAC, but I feel like with that one you get a little less product and it's like $30, and this one's only like $12, $13. So guys, right here I'm just filling in the ends of my brow. Just like that. And then after this, guys, I'm gonna go get coffee, and I'm so excited. Next up is going to be our skin prep. This is very important in any skincare routine, whether you're doing Latina baddie, whether you're doing not Latina baddie. Literally, skin prep is always very important. We're going to go in with the Pharmacy Honey Halo Moisturizer. You don't have to go in with this one specifically. If you got just CeraVe, get that CeraVe out. If you got your What's another really popular moisturizer? If you got your Vanna cream, whatever it's called. I think I said it really, really wrong. Whatever moisturizer you have, get it out. My favorite moisturizer that I've tried has to be the Peach and Lily one, the Ultra Plush Rich Cream. Oh gosh, that one is like the bomb. But I wanted to give this one a try, and honestly, I like it. I really do, and it does the job so well. But I just think something about that Peach and Lily one, I just really, really like. Next, for our primer, I really like the Honey Do Me Up from NYX. Let's jump into concealing the brows now. We're going to go in with our e.l.f. Camo Concealer. Something that I do notice is that with the brows, they tend to be carved out with a lighter shade, a lighter concealer, whatever, so that you kind of get a more, I guess, snatched appearance to the brows. I'm using the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer, and this is in the shade Fair Warm. I am using the Morphe, and I don't know, is it Morphe X Ariel or Morphe Collab Ariel? I don't know which one to ever say, but that's the brush that I'm using to carve out the brows. It's literally the easiest thing because it's so thin. It's really, really hard to mess up when using it. Guys, I'm literally jamming to my music right now. It's like, next step is going to be going in with our foundation, and the foundation we're going in with is going to be the Good Apple KVT foundation. This one, baby, she's full coverage. She is matte. She is lightweight, and she is not cakey, okay? I am a big fan of this foundation. Now, a lot of people aren't, just because of how full coverage it is, and some people like that more natural look. But honestly, if you're watching this tutorial and you want something more natural, I don't think this is the video for you. This is like 12 pounds of makeup, okay? So this foundation is really good if you're wanting to go for the Latina baddie vibes. Thank you for putting two and two together. Okay, and I just applied some to my little bitty brush, and I am going to shape out the top of the brow now. This is obviously more my shade. The concealer on the bottom is a lot lighter, so you want this foundation on top to match you. It's still a little bit, well, no, it looks good. I like it, but I'm also gonna go in with a ton of bronzer, so it's not gonna matter if it's just a little bit light. Okay guys, now with the same foundation, we're applying it all over. I love the way it's looking so far. It's so full coverage, and it covers all my acne scars. Okay, next step is going to be contouring. I am gonna use, or bronzing, whatever you want to call it, because this is the Bronze Sticks from ColourPop. It looks really dirty, guys, I'm sorry. But bronzer, contour, same thing in my brain, okay? I am going to apply it here and then bring it down right here. If you're bringing it down right here, you're gonna blend from all the way right here. So if you apply it right here, it's gonna blend seamlessly into here, which is what you want, because if you bring it too low, you're basically canceling out the point of bronzing. You know what I'm saying? You wanna look snatched, not dirty and muddy. Yeah, okay. And then we're gonna apply some on the forehead. These little pieces of hair that I gelled are really making me mad. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this out. Next step is going to be concealing. We're just gonna use the same concealer that we did in the beginning, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. I just finished setting my whole face, and I do like to do it off camera because if not, it's just like a 40-minute process because I'm talking and then I'm setting and then it's a lot going on. So I just like doing it off camera. So for under the eyes, I went in with the Fit Me powder. This is a very, very pale, light powder. So I like going with this under the eyes so it stays real bright under there. For the rest of the face, I like going in with my Morphe Translucent. This one has like a little bit of like a tint to it. So it's not super, super pale and I really, really like it. I like going in with my Juvia's Place bronzer. This is in the shade Tan and it comes with these. I really like this little palette. For those of y'all who don't know how I do my nose contour, I make a line right here. And I make a little line right here and then I blend it out. Simple. Okay, so I'm pretty much done with the contouring now. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into blush. I'm going to use the Rem Beauty blush. This is in the shade Skinny Dip. This is definitely one of my favorite powder blushes. So I'm just gonna dip my brush into here. I don't wanna go super crazy with the blush because I just don't feel like going super crazy. Like I feel like that's plenty. I just put on my Juvia's Place lashes. Is it giving baddie? I feel like it's giving baddie a little bit. I literally never wear lashes because I always have such a hard time putting them on, but I've gotten so much better at putting them on. It makes me so happy. And so every time I'm about to put lashes on, I get scared that it's gonna like ruin the whole vibe. But it just added to it because mascara would not be it with this look. Okay, let's do lippies. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with the Luxe liner in the shade Cola. And this is from Juvia's Place. And then we're gonna use our little Charlotte Tilbury lipstick. And I think this is in the shade 90s Pink. So I'm gonna put this like in the inner part of my lip like this. It's very natural. And then for the lip liner, we're gonna go in with the Juvia's Place. So I changed the lighting a little bit because it wasn't the same, guys. This light right here, this lamp was like ruining my vibe. Can you believe that? Thank you all so much for watching my beautiful baby dolls. Y'all are like my family. I can't believe we're almost at 700 subscribers. Like we're growing every single day. I have so much energy right now because I know I'm about to get my coffee and I'm so ready. So yeah, guys, it's like my little treat. It's like my little treat after working so hard. No, I'm kidding. That's obviously a joke, okay? I'm joking. But no, really, I do really love this look and I'm glad that y'all enjoyed as well. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. comment down below what else I should do here on my channel. If you want to see a certain makeup look, please do not be afraid to comment down below. I will happily provide for y'all, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, guys, don't forget to subscribe if you want to be a part of this family. I swear I won't hold you captive, okay? Like, this is a very safe environment, okay? And don't forget to turn on the notification bells because you don't want to miss my next video. And I also want to add, also, like, my sleeve keeps farting and it's bothering me. Anyways, I also want to add that I'm sorry if I haven't been posting as much. I'm trying to sort of get a routine of everything just because I am now in school and that takes a lot of my time. So if you see I'm posting a little bit less, just bear with me, please. I am like going like this literally to myself. Like, I am like giving everything that I can in every aspect of my life. I love sitting here and just talking to y'all. Y'all make me so happy. And I just want to say thank you to all of y'all who support me and who, you know, really admire my work. It makes me so happy. I just want to apologize if you see that I'm posting a little bit less. Just bear with me. I am trying very hard to upload content weekly. So yeah, guys, I am just so happy that y'all support me and that y'all are enjoying what I post. So yeah, guys, I will see you in my next video. I'm sorry for going off on a rant as well. I love y'all so much. Bye.